You are welcome. In this video, we'll explain the project Python program to display student result based on the input marks. So here we'll understand how to read the value from the user and how to calculate the result. So here we'll consider five subjects. So we'll read the value from the each subject from the user. If each subject marks if is greater than 35, it is pass. Otherwise, overall result is a fail. So therefore, when you are entering the data, so we need to check whether the each subject mass is greater than 35 or not. If less than 35, the result is fail. Else, we'll add up all the marks. So we'll find the total sum of the marks. And based on that, we'll discard first class, second class, and then pass. So first class is greater than 60, second class greater than 50, and this is greater than 35. So these are the criteria, and let's see that how to write this program step by step. And before getting to that, I'll show you like we are using the if condition here, how to use the if condition, and then how if condition works in the Python. So probably you already know, I'll just give a brief idea, because if condition is important for us to check all the values, what are the values you enter, and you want to check it. Okay, so you can start with if condition start, and there is a if condition here. A condition is like if the average marks greater than 60, yes, it will go here, and then we'll display the message. If not 60, it'll go to else part, then we'll check for the again condition. Else if condition is greater than 50, true, then we'll go there and we'll execute this. If not true, like if even it's not 50%, then we'll go to else part, and here we'll say just pass. Okay, so for here it goes is a first class, here it is a second class, and here is a just pass. Fine. Now I'll write the program and I'll show you this. Okay, so we started the basic Python editor. So this is the IDLE. So is a Python 3.9, and here is we can open the file menu, and we click new file to open the file. So now file is ready. Now program to display result. Right. So here you need to read the marks from the user. Therefore you can say subject 1 is equal to this I'll going to convert into integer. Then you can say input. Then please enter subject 1 marks. Right. So that will go to subject 1. So same way you need to read for 5 subjects. So I just copy this and then I'll paste it 5 times. So this is subject 2, this is subject 3, subject 4. Here you can write like subject 1, what are the subject, language 1, language 2, math, science, social, that is also okay, fine. So and here you need to change, so because these variable the value has used to be changed, 4 and then 5. So totally 5 variables and 5 input marks. So you can run this F5, so you can see that it will ask for the marks. We need to enter the marks 44, 55, 6. Right, so this is working fine. Now next step is we need to declare whether all the subjects are pass or fail. If any subject fail, then we need to declare as a fail. Therefore we take a variable called as a result. So that I set to 0 in the beginning. Result is equal to 0. Now we'll check each subject whether that is pass or not. Therefore you can say if subject 1 is greater than or equal to 35, otherwise you can say greater than 34, it should be 35. So then open the bracket and then close the bracket here. So colon, so result is equal to 1. Okay, let's check this. Fine, so working fine, there is no problem. So we can copy this and then we can paste again 5 times. So this is subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, subject 5. Now if all the subjects are greater than 34, means all the subjects are pass, else otherwise the result is equal to 0, still result is equal to 0 means is fail actually. Therefore I can say if result is equal to 0, so colon is to say that statement is over. Now we can print result. Okay, so colon, then you can say fail. Result is fail. Else if elif, so then you need to find the total marks. Okay, so therefore you can say total, that is equal to subject 1 plus subject 2 plus subject 3 plus subject 4 plus subject 5. That is the total. And then you need to find the average. So therefore average AVG is equal to total divided by 5. Okay, so we'll take only integer part, so therefore you can use the 2 forward slashes. The percentage we don't want to, I mean fractions we don't want to take, so we'll take only the total integer value. So total, what are the total divided by 5, and that what are the value will come, so the decimal will not consider, only will take the integer part. Therefore here is the greater than symbol, sorry, 2 forward slashes. We'll take the decimal also, there is no problem. Then otherwise that time you need to use the format functions and you need to display only 2 decimal places. I'll show you like how to do this also. First let us check this. Else what is that? This is average AVG is greater than 60 or 60 greater than, okay, so equal to 60. Then you can print. So this is the result first class. So if you want to display marks also, then what you can do is total marks, then comma, here is the marks, okay, that is total. So else if, we will use the one more statement. If greater than 50, so this is the second class. So again total marks is total marks. So else, so again else if only, because 35 you need to check. Even else is okay because we check already for the each individual marks. So generally it should be at greater than 35%. Therefore is a pass class. Fine. So this complete the program. So let's save it and then run. Right. So there's a colon here and then one more colon, and here is one more colon. So you can enter the marks now: 55, 65, 45, 67, 88. So this is the total marks is 320, and here is the first class. So you can try again. Let me make one subject fail. So here it's a 20 and 56, 77, 88, 66. Wrong, right? Okay, small change. So initially we assume result is pass. So then we say less than, okay. So if any subject fails, so then we want to make it as 0. So this is less than. So then it becomes 0 here. If any of the one subject becomes less than 34, it should be 35. So because we use the greater than symbol, in that case actually you need to use the 0 here, 1, and you need to check the statement is equal to 1. But we made a vice versa, so therefore we'll make change to 1 now. So now if I run this program, so this is the 25, 56. So you are not changed to 0 over here. So if any of the subject fail, it becomes 0. Therefore, result is equal to 0. That we have to check. Okay. So let's say 25, 56. So now the result is fail.